Welcome to Rouse Academy Hyderabad branch. I am Shwetashri and I work as a current affairs faculty in Rouse Academy. And many students face the problem that from where they have to take the test series for prelims in order to complete their prelims syllabus in a comprehensive way. And here is the solution that Rouse Academy is launching its prelims test series for UPSC CSE 2026 from the 9th November. And we made the schedule in such a way in order to complete the entire prelims syllabus in a systematic way. Firstly, once in a week, the prelims exam will be conducted for the students, and after the completion of the prelims test, that particular test explanation class will be given to that of students, and within the class itself they can clarify their doubts, and also a particular test questions entire background concept, and also that particular concepts previous year questions will also be discussed in the classroom itself, so that this particular test explanation class is very informative for the students. And after the test explanation class, students can go and clarify their doubts with different experienced mentors with regarding to any queries with regarding to that of the test, so that is the way of completing a particular test. Firstly, student is going to take the test. After the test explanation class. After the test explanation class, a particular student can reach out to the prelims mentorship. So that is the way of covering the entire prelims syllabus in a comprehensive way. And whosoever will going to take these test series, they will be provided with the 10 MCQs and 2 mains questions will be given daily. That means every day they will be provided with the 10 MCQs and again the 2 mains questions. And after the answers for the answers which were written by those students, those answers will be evaluated by the experienced faculty members, and the mains mentorship will also be given to those students who have on their evaluated answers. And in that way, the prelims and again the mains, both the prelims and again the mains syllabus will be both go and again align with each other in a way so that they can complete the entire syllabus in a comprehensive way. And Rouse Academy is providing a total of 45 tests. Among the 45 tests, 13 are the sectional tests, 7 are the revision tests, and 15 are the full length tests. Along with that, 10 CSAT tests are also being provided. And the fee for this particular test series include the 15,000 for the offline students and again the 13,000 for the online students. So please don't make any delay and join Rouse Academy test series and see your dreams through the eyes of Rouse Academy. Thank you.